In this video, I will show you how to check your medical insurance status with your Emirates ID. So there are a few methods and I will talk about them. First of all, you can find your insurance provider. You can download their app into your mobile phone or just go to their website online. For example, there are lots of providers like Daman, Orient and others, and you need to go to their website or download the app. I'm on one of them, and when you go to their website, you need to enter your ID card number, policy number, click on continue, and right here we'll check your insurance card status. Also, another way is the Government of Dubai portal, where you can log into your account, or if you don't have it, you can create the account, and when you go to your account, you can check your medical insurance status using your ID cards. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.